Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to deposit cash into your Revolut account. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your account is completely verified. Also make sure that your documents and all sort of details are verified. Now to begin with, go ahead and open up or log in into your Revolut account. Once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page. So then to add cash into your Revolut account, all you have to do is just tap the add money button located in the top left hand side corner. As soon as you do that, if you've not verified your documents, it's going to ask you to verify it soon. Only then you can begin with the further procedure. Apart from it, if you've already verified, then tap the options such as the amount, and then you've successfully deposited the cash into your Revolut account. So in this way, you can deposit your cash into Revolut account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.